Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start now, grant camera access and make sure your device is online because Lens may need cloud OCR. Open Google Photos or the Google app, then tap the Lens icon. Once done, switch to text mode. This tells Lens to prioritize characters, not objects. Hold steady and frame the page so margins and lines are visible. Make sure lighting is even to improve recognition. You're starting the OCR process intentionally, which speeds accuracy and reduces manual corrections. Once you have a clear view, tap to capture or use Live Select to highlight text in real time. This gives you control over exact lines. Next, drag the selection handles to include headings or exclude footers, because precise selection reduces errors when copying. Then choose an action. Select All to copy, listen to hear the text, or translate to convert languages. Make sure to review any OCR errors before pasting into a document, since formatting and punctuation can shift. After extraction, paste the text into your target app, Google Docs, Notes, or an email, and quickly proofread for OCR mistakes like I/1 or O/0 substitutions. If something looks off, tap Show Original to compare the photo and correct errors in context. For persistent failures, retake the photo with brighter, diffuse light, and increase resolution. Alternatively, enable Use Phone Camera inside the Google app for a steadier capture. One troubleshooting tip: if characters blur, zoom in and recapture.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.